Lovely shot, go! Lovely shot, go! Lovely shot!
Sometimes I get a good feeling.
Feet more. Very good. This is 3. Very good. And this is 10.
Yes, I can. Doubt, believe. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, grabs in the book. You can't have me. I'll be the president one day.
Hi, are you looking for tennis for your kids? On-court promotions, the place to be. We've got the top players in Barbados. We've got Darian King, top professional ATP player, Association of Tennis Professionals. Darian has been playing with us from the time he was 9. Also, we've got the top under 14s, under 16s, and under 18 players in Barbados. Are you looking for the newest and the new innovation in tennis? We've got it here at Ocean View Tennis Club. We've got the green dot, the red dot, and the orange dot ball tennis. That's where we start the little kids from 5 years old, and by the time they're 7 or 8, they're able to play tennis. So come and join us at Ocean View Tennis Club. The number is 228-4863. 1, 2, 3. I'ma strike for you, diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to